No, no tongue. No, now this is what goes on your eye. Okay, you're wanting to do your lips. Hold on. Penny wants to do her lips. Hold on. Not you, Ralph. You'll have to do your lips with chapstick. Okay, no tongue. Hold on, let me see. I can't see because Ralph's in my way and you're like leaning over there. That's much better. Hey, okay, let Mommy do it. Good girl. Good girl. You are such a good girl, Penny. Oh, Penny! No! Now you have none. Oh, Penny. That's not how you do your lipstick. We'll have to try again tomorrow. I guess you can have that now. Here, if you want to do your chapstick. Now watch Mommy. Look, look, look. No, no lip. No, yes, your lips. No tongue. Look, see that? See that? You can do that. Okay, no tongue. Okay, easy. Here, let Mommy do it. Good boy. Good boy, Ralphie D. They love to do their lips.